Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot Generation 3. Right, so let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. It says you can add Alexa to any room. It has far field voice control, supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, microphone on or off button is available, right? And then it's like it says, gives some additional bits on add Alexa to your voice, to any room, designed around your voice control music throughout your home, control your smart home hands-free. Those are the certain things, and these are some of the skills that they've included, like ESPN, Cricinfo, Aaj Tak, Savan, Hue, Prime Music, Ola, and so on. So what's included in the box as per the description here? It's the Echo Dot 3rd generation and the power adapter, right? So let's get started. So let's open it up. It comes off nice and easy, right? So this is the product. This is the Echo Dot, right? So let's just open it up. This is the black one. This is how it looks. So you have the button where you can control, where you can ask Alexa what to do. Then you have the power buttons, and then this is the mute button, right? And then you should have the audio line out, and then the power, right? So yeah, this is that. So let's see what else do we have in the box. We have the setup guide, right? And then you have the product manual. It's a card, things to try card. Okay. What else? We should have the charger, right? So that's the Amazon charger. So it's nice. I mean, it feels really nice. I mean, it's a cloth texture. Feels good in the hand, right? Nice. So there you go, guys, the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. Thank you for watching my video. If you like them, please subscribe my channel and share. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.